Zymon B. I don't know if I'm gonna speak through this video, but what's happening is I'm cutting my hair, kind of a mullet style, I guess, I don't know. We'll see what's gonna happen. I hope I don't fuck up. I have my rechargeable thing right here. Few guards. I think I'm doing the biggest one just in case. I'm gonna make bad decisions today, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay, so far what we did with my hair is I've grown a lot of confidence with it. I'm confident we can pull this off. As long as it's not too drastic, it's gonna be fine. Put too much water on that. Try and section this hair out. Wet. Is it easier, I think? I don't know. Is that a good party? Is that a good one? If this is a success, I won't have to go to the barbers and get this fixed. But if it is a disaster, there are cheap salons out there too. Is that a good party? I mean, who knows, you know? I don't really have much of a preference to this hairstyle. I'm gonna go with the 9mm guard. I don't think this would make such a big difference, but here we go. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on.
Wait a minute, hold on.
Should we do? I think I should do this part, right? Because this is the harder part. That don't do shit. Okay. Oh my god. Got a bad idea. What? Ciao.
Anyway, so
Like, just do it, you know? I don't think it's working, you guys. Look. Yeah, I don't think this is working, so I'm gonna get the bigger guns. We have another thing that could work. We brought out the big guns. Hope this was like a... Oh, it's happening. What is happening? Wait a minute,
hold on.
What the hell? Am I cutting off too much? I don't think. Is that correct? Is that a mullet too, guys? I don't know how to do this. This is a cry for help. What the hell? I think I did it. Not the best, but I think I did it. Okay. I'm just gonna stop right there. I think that's good. That's good enough. I mean, yeah, sure. I'm gonna try and like have like a little bit of transition. I'm gonna like ballsy like that.
Balls!
Like a 6mm. This is a nightmare to clean. I just realized this one. It's just gonna smooth everything out, I guess. Trying to cut these bigger pieces too while we're at it. Yay. Nothing happened actually. You know, it's just hard. Now I get why we pay for people to do these things, because clearly I can't do it. I'm gonna do a 3mm for like good luck. What the hell? Why is this so long? I think that's good enough. I fucked it up. Okay, great. Yeah? Did I do something? Who cares, okay? I'm gonna move on to the other part, because I can't do this no more. And I'm done. I think it's not even, but who cares, honestly, because... Oh no, I think this is shorter than this side. Well... we'll see what they can do. So we're doing my makeup because I'm taking pictures with toner. It's inside there, guys. I'm gonna grab my moisturizer. which I don't have a lot of because I'm squeezing. Chris been very dehydrated lately, so it's fine, I guess. I don't know how. I just shaved some parts of my face hurts. I'm also like very sweaty right now because it's very hot in the Philippines. So I'm doing this photo shoot because I'm applying for jobs. They just resigned from the other one. I need a new photo, so yeah, that's why I cut the sides of my hair. I mean, it turned out okay, I guess. I think it's kind of like a bad decision, but I'm just gonna make it work. No shine mattifier as my primer. I'm just gonna put that and focus that on areas that I need it, like this side of my face, my pores, under eye, my eyes. I don't know if I'm gonna clean the brows because I forgot to, but I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna clean up a little bit on the bottom. I think that's good enough, right? I don't know. So I think that's good. That's good enough. Now I'm gonna grab Natural Beauty and dot that all over the face, but I'm focusing on the parts that it needs more coverage. Because I don't want this to be like a full face of anything. I just want to cover up the imperfections and the pores a little bit. So I'm grabbing my favorite foundation. And it's very dirty. And it looks like this. But who cares, you know? I have my mirror filled with product. We're gonna first the other night. That's a lot. Oh well. I'm gonna try and cover up as much of the imperfections as possible. I'm gonna try and do like an actor style makeup where, you know, they're just trying to hide all the imperfections and even things out. Ang aga naman, ano oras na ba? Yung pizza daw, may pizza. Ding dong daw. Ayan na, may pizza. So ding dong na daw. That means there's food. But I think I'm gonna blend this out. And then I'm gonna head down. And then I'm gonna get back to you guys after we eat. But I do want to let it sit. But I don't have time right now, so I'm just gonna blend this out. I do have like oliver undertones. I think I'm very much neutral warm kind of person. So this foundation just really works for me. And I really like that. And they just match like the cheapest foundation there is. Also, letting this base sit a little bit longer makes it look more natural. So I really like that. My powder this just, you know, to set everything. But I do look like I have less product in my face than I normally do. But I'm gonna set it with the Infallible Pro Matte. Just gonna smother this all over my face to set every. Oh! I just dropped it. It's also like the foundation is very neutral, bringing back the warm a little bit with this powder. I think I'm done. I like it. Looks really natural. I'm done for now. Gonna go back to you guys after a bit. I'm just gonna eat some pizza. I'll be back. Bye. Okay, I just ate pizza and I removed some part of my foundation. I'm gonna reapply with the remaining product from this brush. I'm just gonna touch that up a little bit. Might squeeze out more in case I need more, but I think we're good. I'm gonna set my face again just a little bit more. We're not trying to look like a grease pig, you know? All done. I don't want to highlight as much as I do because it's already very light. But I do want to set more just in case. You know, this is a looser, I think, like a looser powder. So gonna give more coverage to spots that I need it. I'm gonna start contouring just a little bit. Gonna use the Insta Ready Runway from Mom because this is the one that I used before as well. Grabbing a very fluffy brush. So I resigned from my job because I had to. I don't know why that's happening, but at least I got to resign and not leave in like bad terms to everyone. So that's pretty nice of them. I want to tell you guys something. You will be sad. Like I was sad when I first started, but you won't always be sad. So I think if you are like going through some shit right now, like me, some internal shit, it's inevitable to be sad because there's not always happy days. And that's how just life is. And you just gotta have to accept that you're not gonna be okay for a while, but you're gonna be okay eventually. I know it's hard to like control your feelings. Like I literally had like a panic attack one day at my job, and be as honest with yourself as possible, because that's the easiest way to deal with it and not make it worse. Because if you keep it bottled inside, you're just gonna collapse one day, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm trying to pick myself back up as I always do. Of course, I did question a lot of things with it, like what if I don't pursue this job anymore, and what if I devote myself into like real jobs, because the graphic design thing is not working out as much as I wanted to. But you know, this is a passion for me, and I really don't want to give up my passion just yet. So I'm giving this one go again before I try and make a decision for myself whether or not to push with this career. That's just how life goes. Honestly, it's not great. It isn't really great, and it's been very hard to keep up with everything. I really wish I was just, you know, an influencer, a YouTuber, or a celebrity, because you know, that's like an easy way out. I know it's hard to be a celebrity for sure, but it's gonna be easier than what minimum wage jobs are making us do. So I'd rather have that hard life, you know what I mean? That's a lot of money. And that would be like a nice way to help my parents as well. I'm just, you know, thinking out loud right now, but I know what I'm doing, and I am currently on a job hunt. But this will be the picture. This will be the face that I'll be serving in those. And so I'm doing this as nice as possible. I'm gonna put on some blush with the same brush because I'm very over it right now. I just want this to be a really quick face. This is not how I normally do my face. I usually do like my Kpop transformation thingy whenever I try and put makeup on and look cute. But you know, for everyday instances, this is nice. This is a very easy. So there is a new policy from YouTube where they are monetizing videos from non-YouTube partners as well now. So if you see an ad in this channel, that's not me earning my money, that is YouTube making their coins. And that's just sad. I think that's wrong, because as a small content creator, and I'm trying to do these stuff, I am not getting paid with the things that I am uploading, but YouTube is. And that's just unselfishness, I think, because we're working hard on these videos. It's not really easy. Now I'm thinking of making TikToks because there's a lot of people there that could benefit from my content. I think that's an easier way to make content too, like short media. I'm looking into it. Let's do some little bit of a shadow. I'm gonna use the contour palette as well. I'm really lazy right now, and I just couldn't be bothered. So I'm mixing the blush color and the bronzer. I'm just gonna shade that outside. You might not see it actually. I'm just trying to color in a little bit of the crease. Oh, it's so hot. Like I literally am sweating. Like it's setting the makeup though, so putting that on my crease as well here. Just trying to define everything. What I do want to add are highlights under my eye, like an Aegusar type of moment. Aegusar!
What?
I'm kidding. I'm trying to find clean brushes, and it's hard because I use them all. I'm just gonna use the same palette. Surprise! We love it. This palette does so much to me. Brighten up the eye a little bit. And put that on the lower lashes. Right here. I feel like I do like a lot of similar makeup looks, just because it's harder to film like the most intricate looks that I've done. If you want to see more of that, comment below so I can do that on YouTube or somewhere. In the case of social media and me trying to be an influencer, I don't think it's gonna happen realistically, but I'm still trying out. I'm not like against the idea of me being a full-time influencer, but with my numbers, I just don't really see it for me being a reality. I think the ultimate goal for me is to be a freelancer. Once I have money to buy equipment, I'm gonna quit my job and get clients for that thing. But for now, I'm just trying to live another day. This brush is ruining it. What is happening with this highlight? Don't know. I do like the highlight on the nose because it looks tiny as fuck. Put them on places that it should be. A bigger brush to highlight. Just gonna use the bronzer brush that I use. The sides, I guess. So like, we can dust it here. Just gonna put that. That's it. That's basically it. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of not happy with how my crease turned out. So maybe I can add like more shimmer to that. Like a dusting. And also highlight here. So we could emphasize the irritation that I did when I shaved off my brows earlier. One final step, the brows. I'm just gonna use the bronzer here. I don't want to bring out the bigger palette. And I don't want to bring out the brow products that I have because I am lazy. Filling it in just a tad bit, you know? Yes, that's sexy. I like that brow. It's very notch. I know I'm supposed to like put strokes, but I'm very lazy right now, so I'm just trying to slap on some color and call it a day. Now that that's done, this is the final look. We love, we stand. Okay, I think I'm gonna shave like a little bit here to extend my eye just a little bit. Oh, a little better. And we're done. Oh, by the way, my mom said it's ugly. My hair is ugly. So, that's that. My dad laughed it off. And I really like it though. I'm gonna fix my hair. I'm just gonna use some good old clay wax from the store. It's so soft because it's really hot. But I'm gonna warm it up in my hands. I'm gonna brush through that on my hairs and fix it accordingly. I kind of want like this kind of vibe, like a Korean X, I'm just gonna try and slick everything back. Yep, I just want to look as professional as I can because this is a professional photo. I think that's really nice. I like that. Should I like bring this down so it has like more of a flare to it? Or should I just push all back? Maybe I should do like a K-pop vibe to it too. I'm gonna go with this with the creative resume, and then I'm gonna push it all back for the 2x2 photos. I'm gonna dress up, I'm gonna show up and show out to you guys, and I'll be done. Okay, bye.
Voila, what do we have, ladies? A fucking clown. We are a stupid bitch. We are a fucking clown. This is the final look, ladies.
Okay, I'm feeling a quick outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe. Want to see more of this face? And if you really like it, then should have put a ring in it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want to follow me on all my social media, it's all at Zymon B. You can like my Facebook page, facebook.com/I'mZymonB. And I hope to see you guys soon. And have a great day ahead. And the corporate world sucks. Bye!